Okay, here it is, Friday morning. Joe and I are on our way out to Pittsburgh. We're just leaving New Jersey now. See, New Jersey. And here's Joe. He's in the back seat, and he is going to be working on his amp during this trip. So we're going to be documenting this pretty thoroughly. Any last words, Joe?
God save it.
That's right.
Happy birthday, Steve. And under the headrest is my cabinet, and here's my chassis. Time to do some desoldering.
You are looking at your own eyes the first component removed from Joe's amp.
Oh.
Joe actually did this. Apparently he's made a startling discovery. Joe, what do you say?
I'm relieved. Okay, so we stopped to get some lunch, I guess, because it's lunchtime. Steve's gonna do some engineering magic.
Gonna take a pass of this.
Take a pass. Here's what's going on. Upside down.
We have this is the capacitor that Joe successfully replaced.
Yeah, thanks a lot.
It only took
Well, we won't go into that. Basically, the car ride's really shaky. So wish him good luck. Okay, I hope you wish him good luck. You don't have to wish. We're wishing you good luck.
So we are stopped in traffic here. There's Joe driving. Here's me. And I dropped one of the orange drops, but Joe found it. Look how pretty. So maybe 2/3 of the way through here. And then, you know, once we get to 28, Joe's going to put the amp back together. We're almost there. It's been a pretty good trip, right?
Yeah.
Any other comments? Okay. We'll see you guys later. Okay, it's about 4:30. We're done with the amp. Joe just has reassembled it. I think Joe's back there somewhere. Sorry, I'm driving. And so I'm going to give the amp some juice up here. Okay, Joe, we're all good here if you want to throw on the amp power. So we're hoping that nothing blows up. Joe, are you playing guitar?